How to change Wix Studio to Wix. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to change Wix Studio to Wix. So here on your Wix Studio, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and go to settings, go to workspace settings to be exact, tap this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down here. Now, if you scroll down, you will see this delete workspace. So what you're going to do is you have to read the file away, and then you have to click this find out more. So here, what you're going to do is you just have to simply confirm that you're going to delete or leave Wix Studio. So by opting out, you lose access to Studio features. You'll get the regular Wix experience. So what you're going to lose, you will see it right here, but you will also see what stays the same. So your site, data, and subscriptions will not be affected. You will still be able to manage and edit all your sites and create on the Wix editor. Tap this one, check, and then click Leave Wix Studio. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and if you reload or refresh, then it will take you back to your Wix account. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.